In this video, I will show you how to fix the app didn't start in the required time on Windows 11 or 10. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, then Settings. Here click on Apps. Now click on Installed Apps. So here guys, you will see all installed application. Find out where you have the error. So, application for example. So click on this three dot, then Advanced Options. Now here guys you will see this two option, repair and reset. So firstly try by repair. If after repair not work, so reset. Now once you done, exit and restart your system. So this is the method guys you can try to fix and resolve this error. Thanks for watching.